What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best hybrid bike tire on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Serfas Drifter Tire with FEF. If you want a lightweight hybrid bike tire without compromising on the performance, look no further. This replacement bike tire from Serfas hits the sweet spot of being lightweight with stellar features. Moreover, Serfas's commitment to producing top-notch products is evident because every tire undergoes in-house testing. It incorporates dual-density technology and premium rubber components. A combination of these factors makes this hybrid tire extraordinarily reliable and durable. However, the strong construction does not compromise the flexibility or the traction of the tires at all. The inverted tread pattern on this tire minimizes rolling resistance to a great degree. You will also find the integrated flat protection system indispensable during long-distance rides. Furthermore, the use of 69 durometers in the tire's construction also enhances its durability. Weighing a total of 1.3 lbs, or 630 grams, this hybrid bike tire is among the most lightweight options out there. If you ride your bike regularly on different trails, the Drifter tire with FPS from Serfas is a fantastic choice. And yes, the availability of different sizes is a great feature.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Schwinn Replacement Bike Tire. This replacement bike tire from Schwinn is one of the most versatile hybrid tires. It comes from the use of premium quality in its construction as well as the addition of excellent features. A notable feature worth pointing out about this hybrid bike is that it comes in different styles. This includes BMX, Cruiser, and MTB, among others. Talking about the features, this hybrid bike tire is a total winner in our books. First, the dual steel construction renders this tire unrivaled in terms of strength and durability. Besides, the traction in this bike tire is impressive irrespective of the terrain. In terms of design, this replacement tire takes it to the next level. It is available in different colors, including plain black, black with Kevlar bead, black with a steel bead, and gumwall with steel bead. If you like to experiment with your bike a lot, this tire is the ideal choice.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Schwalbe Marathon Plus HS Wire Tire. Feeling stable on the road and maintaining a fair amount of grip is essential for your hybrid tires. However, saving you from having to change an inner tube while it is raining on your way to work is an important purchasing factor. These classics from Schwalbe have been finely tuned over years of refinement and innovation. Not only do they have durable all-weather tread, meaning you will have the grip you need to stay on the road, even when it is wet. They also have a unique 5mm Smart Guard belt, which prevents you from getting punctures from the usual debris you find at the side of the road. Unlike other tires that give you puncture protection that uses Kevlar to reduce the risk of punctures, the Smart Guard system is a subsection of supple rubber designed to force sharp objects out, as opposed to drawing them in as deep-treaded Kevlar tires can, especially with age. With this added puncture protection does come a little extra rolling resistance, but if you are using your hybrid to commute or get around the city and prioritize reliability over speed, these tires are an excellent investment. Pros: the best puncture protection system tested, reliable, surprisingly low rolling resistance for their weight. Cons: they are firm, so they can prove challenging to get on and off the wheel.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Fini Maori bike tires. These tires are designed with a unique tread pattern that resembles the traditional Maori tattoos of New Zealand. We tested the Fini Maori bike tires on a hybrid bike for over 200 miles on various terrains, including paved roads, gravel paths, and muddy trails. Here's how they held up during our tests. They were easy to install and fit well on most standard rims. They have a folding bead that makes them compact and lightweight. The Fini Maori bike tires are durable and resistant to punctures. They have a 60 TPI casing reinforced with nylon and rubber compound. We rode over some glass shards and thorns, and the tires did not get damaged or lose air pressure. They can handle both smooth and rough surfaces with ease, thanks to their slick center section. They have a low rolling resistance on paved roads. The knobby shoulder sections provide good grip and traction on off-road trails. However, the Fini Maori bike tires could be better, and they have some drawbacks. Firstly, they could have been more comfortable and smooth on bumpy roads. They also lack cushioning or shock absorption, making the ride feel harsh and jarring. If you prefer a more comfortable and smooth ride, consider looking for softer or wider tires. Secondly, the tires are slightly heavier than other hybrid bike tires in the market, which can affect your speed and acceleration.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Continental Grand Prix 4 bicycle tires. These tires are advertised as an all-weather road bike tire. The Continental Grand Prix 4 season has a lot of the characteristics that you are looking for in a hybrid tire. It comes with Vectron protection, basically Continental's lightweight solution to puncture protection, apparently 5 acts as light as steel. While that might be questionable, they do withstand the usual rigors of city riding without puncturing as easily as cheaper tires. They feel very light on the road and give the least rolling resistance compared to others on this list. Usually lightweight would also mean less grip. However, due to the wear-resistant carbon compound and unique, discreet but effective tread, you still feel in control no matter the weather. Pros: less rolling resistance. Puncture protection is good enough for most roads and tracks. Cons: although they do have good traction, you do not have the same confidence as you do with other tires with thicker tread.